Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Trust Wallet private key. So let's get started. First things first, open Trust Wallet and go to the top where your wallet name is. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your wallets. Then click on your wallet. You have two options. First, you can use Cloud Backup, which saves your seed phrase to iCloud or Google Drive. It's convenient, but storing it online could carry a small hacking risk. Second, you can use Manual Backup, which will display your 12 or 24 words directly. Write them down and store them somewhere safe offline. Anyone who has these words can access your wallet, so keep them private and secure. Click on it to create your secret phrase. I have already created this phrase. Click on it to create it, then write it somewhere to keep it safe. And that's how you find Trust Wallet private key. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.